All right, today, boys and girls, we're going to continue looking at the different forms of a number within 1,000. And today we're going to be looking at the number name and also the base 10 numerals. So today you want to be able to read numbers so you can write numbers within 1,000. And you'll be successful and you can write the number name and the base 10 numeral of a number within 1,000. So if we look back, a review, we have our base 10 numerals. And remember, base 10 numerals is how I write the number using digits. And remember, digits are those numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me write those down. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are my digits. So I want to use those digits to help me write the number of hundreds, tens, and ones that I have in my place. So in thinking about base 10 numerals, I'm going to look here and I have a number name of a number and it says 590. So if you need help because you're unsure of 590, you can always get out your base 10 blocks and you can help yourself by building it and looking to see what is the number or the digit that would go in that place. So for example, if I were to build 590, so here I have 500. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I'll have 590. I can see that in, 590, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds. So I always write my greatest place down first. So that would be my hundreds place in this case. I see that I have 90, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. And then if I look, I have 0, 1. So I'm going to put 0. So in this case, the base 10 numeral of 590 is 590. Well, if I look down here, Miss Wilmoth has an expanded form. So I have 800 plus 40 plus 6. And so I want to figure out what would I write, what would be the equals to be 800 plus 40 plus 6. So I know when I have 8 hundreds, that means I have 8 in my hundreds place. When I have 40, I have 4 tens. And when I have 6 ones, that would be that I have 6 ones. So when I look at base 10 numeral of 800 plus 40 plus 6, those digits for each place would be 8 in the hundreds, 4 in the tens, and 6 in the ones. So I write it 846 with digits like that for base 10 numerals. We are also going to do today, besides base 10 numerals, we're also going to look at number name. And if you think back to number name that we just did when we were doing numbers within 300, number name is just you're writing the number with words. So if I have a number, what would I have? How would I write it with words? What words would I use? So if I look here, Miss Wilmoth has the expanded form, then I know 700 plus 40 plus 9. So how would I write that? So that number is going to be 749. Well, I want to write 749 in written form, or excuse me, in number name, so it's written form. So I'm going to write that I have 749. When I want to write it with number name, when I write it, it's basically the words you're saying. So I say that 749 is 749 with words. Another example, Miss Wilmoth made a mistake. She went ahead and wrote the number name. Well, let's do a different example then. So Miss Wilmoth made a boo-boo. So let's say I have, what if I want, 402 is what I want you. So you're given the base 10 numerals and you have to write that in number name. So I know that I have 400. I don't have any tens and I don't know the value, so it's 0, so I don't write that down. And then I look at my ones and I have 2. So I have 402. So the written number name of 402 is 402. So again, it's a lot like what you say when you say the number, you write those words down. So we will be practicing today number name and base 10 numerals so that you can know how to write those numerals within 1,000.